Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to add that trim going around the wood right here, okay? So I'm using a coffee stirring stick and I'm going to measure right here and then I'm going to mark it with a pencil right along this edge. Then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to double check to make sure it fits. If it does not fit, then you would need to cut it again. But now you need to cut two exactly the same size unless the bottom of your wall is wonky. So move it down and make sure that it fits there. All right, cut two of them. All right, then you want to add some gel crazy glue to it. And then you want to line it straight up where you're going to have it. Pop it in that hole. Make sure it's even on both sides. And then you want to take a clamp. You can get these at your local hardware store. And then you want to clamp that in place so it will dry nice and snug. Repeat that process for the bottom and then you'll be done. All right, and you want to do the same thing when you wrap it around. Only difference is you want to bring this out and then put the piece on the front facing going across so you don't see two edges. You want that piece to go around to the corner like that. And that's as simple as it is to add trim to the wallpaper. Now this wallpaper for the 50's diner and the floor you can get on my website. It's a free printable. So go ahead to dollhousetutorials.com and you can get that. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this diner because we're going to be completing it very, very soon. And there's lots of tutorials on it so far. All right, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and click the bell to be notified.